Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a wheel matchup with a set of 20x12 Moto Metal 962 wheels in a gloss black with a milled window finish and a negative 44mm offset, and some 37x1350 R20 Fury Country Hunter mud terrain tires in a 12-ply. Now these Moto Metal 962 wheels, they're offered in a 17, 18, 20, and 22-inch wheel, any size you could possibly want. They're also offered in a gloss black with a milled accent finish, which is what we have right here, a chrome finish, and a satin gray with a milled accent finish. They're also offered with a PVD with a center gloss black lip, meaning chrome spokes and a gloss black lip, which will make it look like a two-piece wheel. With that being said, these Moto Metal 962s, they're some of the most popular wheels on the market with the 8-spoke design. You cannot beat them. Dealers, if you're looking for a good wheel to put on your lot, this is a great wheel. Retail customers, if you're looking for a good wheel for your truck or Jeep, this is a great wheel. Everybody loves them. Now these 37-inch Fury mud terrain tires, I absolutely love them for the price point. You cannot beat them. They are some of the best handling tires for the price. They're not a Toyo, they're not a Nitto. However, for what you're paying for them, you cannot beat it. They handle great, they sound great, they look great, and they're in a 12-ply. They take a little bit of weight to balance. However, these mud terrains balance better than their RT tires, their hybrid tires. And these Fury mud terrains are closer to a traditional hybrid, a traditional RT tire, than a mud terrain. So when you're buying these mud terrains, they're actually closer to a hybrid tire than a mud terrain. With that being said, I absolutely love them and would not replace them. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any of these parts, whether it's the tires, the wheels, the lift, the fenders, the bumpers, go to our website, central-alps.com, and we would love to get your parts shipped out today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.